Right. Today we will see some of the problems related to limits. I think we took approximately very long gap since we are moving our office from old office to new office. No problem. From today I will try to be regular on YouTube. Now see the question. Limit x tends to 0, square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square by x. Limit x tends to 0, square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square by x. If you substitute the limit value 0, then it becomes root over 1 plus 0 minus root over 1 minus 0 divided by 0. Now it becomes 1 minus 1 divided by 0. It is of the form 0 by 0. It is of the form 0 by 0. Then we need to do L'Hospital here, right? L'Hospital. If you apply L'Hospital, if you know the L'Hospital for root x, then it will be better. If not, if you don't know the exact formula for root x, I mean you need to do differentiation and all, right? You need to differentiate the numerator and you need to differentiate the denominator separately, right? I will show you two methods here. Whichever is comfortable to you, you can use. Now, by using L'Hospital. Now, limit x tends to 0, root x, differentiation of root x, it is 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x into, it is not root x actually, so we need to differentiate the inner term again, it becomes 2x, right? 1 plus x square, differentiation of 1 plus x square becomes 2x. Next, minus 1 by 2 root x, it is also of the form root x, and d by dx of 1 minus x square. Now it becomes minus 2x, right? Since you are in the final stage of writing exam, that is why I am not going to deal everything in detail. I am going through directly, right? Keep this in mind, and while starting only pause the video and solve the question by yourself. If you get the question, if you get the answer for the question, I mean it will be sufficient. If not, then continue the video and watch the procedure, right? Now differentiation of x is 1. If you substitute here, it becomes 2 into 0 by 2 into 0 by root over 2 square root of 1 plus x square, 1 plus 0, it is 1, minus 2 into minus into minus plus, minus into minus is plus, 2 into 0 divided by 2 square root of, square root of 1 minus x square. In the x square, if you substitute 0, it becomes 1, right? 2 into 0, 0 plus 0. The answer is 0, right? This is the way of solving these problems. If you don't know properly how to apply differentiation and all here, I mean if you don't know the concept of L'Hospital, how to use this. Now for this we will simply, for this kind we will simply rationalize the numerator. Rationalizing in the sense root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x square by x into rationalizing root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 minus x square divided by root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 minus x square. Limit x tends to 0. Now a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square by x into root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 minus x square. Root and square gets cancelled. It becomes 1 plus x square minus 1 plus x square, right? Here it becomes x into root over 1 plus x square plus root over 1 minus x square. Done. 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled and it is 2x square. 2x square divided by x into square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square. If you see clearly, x and x square will get cancelled. Here it will be 2x. So 2x divided by square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square. Limit x tends to 0. Now substitute the limit. 2 into 0 divided by root over 1 plus 0, I mean it becomes 1, plus root over 1 minus 0, it becomes 1. So 2 into 0 is 0. Right. In this way also we got the answer as 0. Right. In both the ways we got 0 as an answer. So the thing is, you should be able to solve whichever model is not the case here. You can use whichever type of solving you can use, no problem. But the thing is, you should be able to solve the question. In limits, if you know, I mean while solving limits, if you know the concept of differentiation perfectly, you will be able to get 1 or 2 marks easily from limits. Most of the question, most preferably, they will ask from LHospital rule only. They will not go beyond LHospital. So be careful while solving through LHospital. Before I just showed how to solve through LHospital. It is not perfectly of the form. If you know perfectly, the differentiation of d by dx of root x is actually 1 by 2 root x. But in the previous case, we considered d by dx of root over 1 plus x square. It is also we written as, first we wrote as 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Since it is of the form root x something, root of something. So it becomes 1 by 2 root something into d by dx of that something 1 plus x square. Why? If it is root x, then it is simply 1 by 2 root x. Here it is not root x actually. It is not root x. It is root over 1 plus x square. It is other than root x. It is not x inside the root. It is 1 plus x square inside the root. That is why we are differentiating again. Keep this in mind. Please be able to recognize this type of questions and please solve as many questions as possible. If you solve as many questions as possible, then you will get hands-on experience and you will get 1 or 2 marks in limits very easily. Right? Now, let us see one more question. The question is, alright, limit n tends to infinity 1 square by n cube, alright, 1 square by n cube plus 2 square by n cube plus so on plus n square by n cube. This is the question he asked actually. This is the one of the question. Now, for solving this question, if you need to know something here, that is denominator is common, so it becomes n cube divided by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square. We modified it like this now. After this, we need to know 3 formulae here. Before going to solve this question, we need to know 3 formulae. That is sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on till n. The formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Now, sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. This is what? For this, the formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Right. Now, sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. Sum of cubes of first n natural number, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus so on till n cube. The formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. That is what we got here. Whole square. That is the answer for sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. These 3 need to be remembered at any cost because they will be helpful in your future also. So please remember these 3. If you know these 3, you will be able to solve some of the problems. Now The general form for this can be written as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6, right? I am writing 6 here, 6n cube. Now from all the three, take n as common. N here also get the n common and it becomes 1 plus 1 by n, and from here get the n as common, 2 plus 1 by n. Now divided by 6n cube. Limit n tends to infinity, right? Now n into n into n, n cube into 1 plus 1 by n into 2 plus 1 by n divided by 6n cube, right? 6n cube. Limit n tends to infinity. N cube gets cancelled. Now if you know one concept, that is 1 by infinity. What is the value of 1 by infinity? It is 0, right? Now substitute the value. 1 plus 1 by infinity into 2 plus 1 by infinity divided by 6. 1 by infinity is 0. So 1 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 divided by 6. So it becomes 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. Right? This is the way of solving this kind of question. Let me take one more question. Let me take one more question. You need to solve as many questions as possible, at least 10 from each different case, so that you will get hands-on experience and your speed in the actual exam will be increased. If you keep on solving, your speed while doing in the actual exam will be increased automatically. You don't need to worry for that. Now the question is limit n tends to 0, x tends to 0, no problem, log of 5 plus n minus log of 5 minus n divided by n. This is one of the question. This is one of the question he asked. Now if you substitute 0, it becomes log 5 minus log 5 divided by 0. It is 0 by 0 form. So we need to simply do L'Hospital. Apply L'Hospital. If you get the form 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, we need to do L'Hospital. Simply we need to go for L'Hospital. What is L'Hospital? As I already mentioned, what is L'Hospital? L'Hospital is simply differentiating the numerator separately and differentiating the denominator separately. This is called L'Hospital, right? Now differentiate the numerator. If you differentiate the numerator, it is of the form log x. Assume this is x something. Then differentiation of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x. But here it is not x actually. It is something other than x. So we need to differentiate it again. D by dn of 5 plus n. Moving here, it becomes log of d by dx of log of 5 minus n. Let us assume this as x. Now it becomes differentiation of log x is 1 by x again. 1 by x. But actually it is not x. So d by dx of 5 minus n divided by differentiation of n gives 1. That's it. Limit n tends to 0. Now 1 by 5 plus n into differentiation of 5 plus n. It becomes 1 minus 1 by 5 minus n divided by differentiation of 5 minus n. It becomes minus 1 divided by 1. You need to, no need to keep that. N tends to 0. Limit n tends to 0. 1 by 5 plus n minus, it becomes 1 by 5 plus 5 minus n, right? If you substitute the value of 0, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, now it becomes 2 by 5. This is the way of solving such kind of question. In all the three problems, we didn't do nothing actually. In the second problem, there is separate method, but when it comes to the first problem, we solved something using roots and all, right? That problem and this problem, we did nothing but we did simply L'Hospital. L'Hospital is mandatory. If you want to score 1 or more, generally for limits, from limits you will be getting approximately 1 or 2 marks, right? 1 or 2 marks. If you want to score out of, for 2 questions, if you want to keep the answer correctly, 2 questions, then you need to know the concept of L-hospital properly. If you know the concept of L-hospital perfectly, then you will be able to solve any kind of limit problem, which you will be getting in a AP ECET 2021 or TS ECET 2021. Keep this in mind, and let me give some problems as your practice work. You can practice these problems on your own actually. Right. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n square plus 2 by n square plus so on plus n by n square. This is first problem. This is first problem. Second problem is limit, let me take one question, x tends to 1 by x square minus 1 minus 2 by x power 4 minus 1. 2 by x power 4 minus 1. This is one more problem. These 2 problems are enough. These 2 problems are enough, and please refer the previous questions also. Please refer previous questions and practice these problems. If you don't get these problems, I will be solving these questions in the next video. Right? Thank you.